Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to allow WhatsApp access to your call logs. This feature is essential for keeping track of your call history within the app. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Simply tap the gear icon to access it. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap on it to open the list of applications installed on your device. Now, locate WhatsApp from the list of apps. If you have many apps installed, you may need to scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you spot WhatsApp, tap on it to open its settings. Inside WhatsApp's settings page, look for an option called Permissions. Tap on it to view all the permissions that WhatsApp can request. From here, find the Call Logs permission. It might be listed as Call Logs or something similar. Tap on this option. Finally, select Allow. This action grants WhatsApp access to your call logs, enabling it to log and display your call history seamlessly within the app. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully allowed WhatsApp to access your call logs. This simple setup ensures that your call history is accessible whenever you need it. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. See you next time.